All right, y'all. We back. Here with another one. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Hopefully, y'all stick around and watch the whole video. Gonna be a long one, but it's a little story time to go with it. In the sports photography world, we're using some different kinds of software that are outside of Lightroom and Photoshop. The one in particular is called Photo Mechanic, and it allows you to cull faster and add metadata to the images. And metadata is what you see when you're looking at a news article, and the text up under it telling you who's in the photo, what game it was, the date and time of the game, the date of the game, the location of the game, and the photographer that took the picture. All that data has to be put into one photo, and there's different ways to do it. And within Photo Mechanic, there's a section called code replacement. So after doing some research and seeing what code replacement is, I found the website for it, and they run you through, show you the data as it comes back, the rosters that you need to populate this metadata, and then they get you to the last screen and they say, oh, you got to pay for it and it's $20 a month, or they bill you yearly. And I was like, this ain't nothing but a text file, man. I'm not paying these folks $20 to give me back a text file. No, we can build this on our own. We have AI now. So I'm not the greatest programmer in the world, but I lived in that world for a long time, and I do have some familiarity with it. So with the help of some AI tools that I use, I was able to build this bad boy right here, man. So built my own code replacement tool, saved myself $20 a month. Got it for NFL, college, and NCAA basketball, Division I on the college sports. And I just wanted to demo it for you guys and see what you guys thought. So let's see, Jags and Chargers just played. Really, you could pick anybody though. I'm just pick anybody. Indy and Cleveland, whatever. Shout out to Shador for getting the starting spot this week. That boy's been going through all kinds of crap this year. But this is the format it comes out in. You can pick between different formats within it. Hit generate. Tell it where you want it to save it. Pull this out the way. Put it where I want it. And boom. It's working. And it's done. Let's go to the file itself, Indy and Cleveland, and show you guys the results, man. Indy, and I also made it in caps and lowercase so the user won't have to use caps when they're loading, doing the stuff in code replacement within Photo Mechanic. So that's the entire roster for those two teams. Let's spot check it. 95 is Garrett. Miles Garrett. Boom, he's right there. 12 is Shador. Boom, right there. I think Gabriel is 8 right there. Tyson Campbell 7. Let's see, Indy. I don't know no players on Indy's team. Sauce Gardner's 1, cool. Josh Downs 2. Anthony Richardson's 5 right there. So that's the demo for the football. Let's go into college. Is a little bit different. I set it up since there's so many college teams. You can start typing and hit Alt and down, or either hit the drop box. And last game I did was Florida State, Virginia Tech. So let's go start typing. Boom, boom. FSU, VT as your 3-letter prefix, 2-letter prefix if you're going that route. And it's already loaded the teams up, 740 D1 teams. Hit it again, tell it where you want to save it, showing me off the screen. And let's open up the Vatek. Oh, it just finished, my bad. It just finished and then I opened it right away. So Vatek and Florida State. Rosters, Garrett Little Jr. Let's see, number 1, Tommy. I'm not familiar with Virginia Tech like that, but I know their quarterback was number 1, Keion Drones. So yeah, man, got a working code replacement, and show you the basketball one real quick. We did Florida and Miami. Gotta start typing. Florida, and Miami on Sunday. They came to Jacksonville, Florida. Oh crap! What I just do? I just threw it away. Bring it back, boy. Press a shortcut and load everything. Miami, and it took away my. Start typing again. Miami. Right there. Boom. Boom. It's got 362 teams loaded. Right when you open the app. Save it. It's working. File's ready. Straight to my file. And you got all the rosters for Miami and Florida. So yeah, man. Got my own code replacement tool. If you mess with this type of situation, is content, you think it's cool, you want to talk about it, hit me up in a DM. Give me some comments, some likes, all of that good stuff. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Take care of yourself. I'm gone. Yo.